In this uniform order table, we want to add a formula to calculate the subtotal when the user ticks the checkbox next to the uniform item. The checkbox evaluates to 1 when it is selected, and 0 otherwise. The subtotal equals to quantity times the unit price. To enter the formula to a cell, click cell E1. Click the Edit Formula button on the cell's toolbar. To avoid accidental negative quantity input, we use absolute function for the quantity. Enter the formula. B1 times absolute of C1 times D1. Click Apply. For the cell E2, the formula is B2 times absolute of C2 times D2. Click Apply. Repeat for the cell E3 and E4. For the total, we use the function sum. Click cell E5 and click Edit Formula button on the cell's toolbar. The operator for a range of cells is the colon. So, enter sum E1, colon, E4, and click Apply.